Welcome to Condat Solutions. In this tutorial video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on seamlessly integrating the 3CX plugin into your Condat CRM system. 3CX is a cloud-based communication platform that enables businesses to manage calls through voice-over IP technology. It serves as a powerful business communication solution that replaces traditional hardware-based systems, offering flexibility, affordability, and scalability. 3CX provides a wide range of features within a single, secure platform, meeting the diverse communication needs of modern businesses. As a cost effective, feature rich, and unified communications platform, 3CX acts as a reliable communication backbone for education and migration businesses, making it easier to stay connected with clients, teams, and partners from anywhere in the world. The integration involves three main steps, such as creating a 3CX account, installing and configuring the 3CX plugin, installing required extension, and the 3CX web app. Step 1. Creating a 3CX account. To begin, log into your Condat admin account, navigate to the Plugins Manager and view the list of available plugins. From the list, locate to 3CX plugin, then click on Get Started with Condat 3CX. Next, fill out the required form with your company's name, contact number, email, and write a message to request 3CX portal and submit it to request for account creation. Please note that the account creation process may take a few weeks to complete. It is essential to provide correct and up-to-date information as this account will be directly linked to your Condat CRM system. Step 2. Installing and configuration the plugin. Once your 3CX account has been created, return to All Plugins, locate the 3CX plugin and click Install. You can view its features, steps, and how it works and select on Install 3CX plugin. After installation, go to Settings, select on 3CX API Details where the plugin will automatically generate the following credentials such as domain, username, password, API key. These details will be generated by the Condat system and then share these credentials with the 3CX support team via email. They will use this information to enable the integration between your 3CX account and Condat CRM. Step 3. Installing extensions and the 3CX web application. After providing the credentials, the 3CX support team will complete the setup process for your account creation. To start using 3CX, download the 3CX Click to Call Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store and click on Add Chrome. And the configuration of 3CX Click to Call will appear and select on Web Client and the following URL will be given by 3CX team and select OK. This will allow you to make and manage calls directly from your browser while connected to Condat CRM. Once the integration is complete, navigate to any client for a call and you just need to select the phone icon and you will be able to view your 3CX portal and you can call in just one click. By following ways, you can access several powerful features including incoming calls. When you receive an incoming call, 3CX automatically queries the Condat CRM database. If a matching record is found, the caller's name and profile link will be displayed. Call journaling. When a call ends, a journal entry is automatically created in the contact's profile within the Condat CRM, ensuring accurate and consistent record keeping. Contact creation. Through the 3CX admin console, you can add new contacts. For each new contact, the mandatory fields are first name, last name, email, contact number, and select the CRM option and save the contact details. Once the contacts are saved within Condat CRM, the contact will be created as a new lead under the account associated with the user credentials provided earlier. By following these three steps, you will successfully establish a fully functional integration between 3CX and Condat CRM. This integration enhances productivity, streamlines communication, and provides your sales and support teams with complete visibility into client interactions. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Condat Solutions.